Staff received a written request from the developer regarding the proposed rezoning on the Massengill property. The request was as follows. Please remove the Massengill Springs development from the City Council meeting tonight. We would like to request a work session to discuss potential changes to the plan. Thank you, Michael Bunch. Based on this request and staff recommendations, do I hear a motion to remove this item from the agenda and set a public comment session for July the 2nd, 2012, from 5 p.m. till 6 p.m. in the City Council chambers, followed by a special work session by City Council at 4 p.m. on July the 3rd, prior to the regularly scheduled council meeting at 5 p.m. We have a motion?
Make that motion.
We have a motion, we have a second? We have a motion and we have a second. Okay. We have a motion and a second. Is there any discussion?
Mayor, for clarification, I had asked that we add the resolution to extend the Viola contract as well. I assumed that was included in the motion.
It is. A motion to extend the contract. It should be in the motion. So we're doing both. We're replacing one item with the other. Is that understood? Okay.
You said it should be. Is it included?
It is included.
Okay.
All right. Please enter your vote. Seven years.